Greetings all. Today we're going to be making one of the most spectacular dishes a human could possibly eat. It's clay pot, cabbage wrapped, chicken and vegetables, slow cooked for 4 hours at a very low heat. Let's get to it. So the two main reasons you might want to use a clay pot is firstly, clay pots distribute the heat more evenly, and secondly, it allows the juices of whatever it is that you're cooking to reintegrate into itself. No moisture escapes, and it creates probably one of the most delectable experiences that you can have. For ingredients, we have cabbage, celery, carrots, onion, ginger, some mushrooms, and chicken leg quarters. Add a bit of canola oil. And what I usually do, I like to add a knob of butter, about this much, for the flavoring. Get that going, wait till it melts a little bit, and then now the chicken, to reiterate, I just salted it. I just salted the chicken, no pepper. Probably one of the biggest mistakes that most chefs make is that they pepper it before putting it onto a scorching surface. Pepper is it can be a very delicate herb. Treat it with respect. Pepper it afterwards. Go for about 3 to 4 minutes each side. So about 3.5 minutes went by. I've not looked at them. We'll see how they turned out. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Perfect golden brown. Just get a handle on it. That is a perfect color for the searing process. And finally, you want the skin to crisp up. Another 4 minutes on the other side. Now actually is the time to add some pepper. I'm going to be adding white pepper. You want to add it after the searing is done. So that way when it goes inside the clay pot, it'll have fresh pepper instead of scorched pepper. Alright, so it's been another 3.5, 4 minutes. We'll see how oh, perfect. Look at that. Beautiful, golden brown. And I'm thinking maybe, I was going to say mistake, maybe I should have put the skin side down first, but in cooking, there are no mistakes, there's only experiments. You're going to transfer these to a plate or a bowl. So you want to set these aside, let them cool for about 10 minutes. You can also take advantage and pepper the skin side as well. So as you can see, I started layering the clay pot, starting off with purple cabbage, putting the leaves at the bottom, and then just adding all the vegetables that you had on the list, carrot, celery, onion, ginger, garlic. So now it's just a matter of adding layers. As you can see, I have the first layer of chicken in there, and I'm just going to surround it with more purple cabbage, making sure that the cabbage stays on the edges so that the juices do not escape. So as I get the last piece of chicken in there, as you can see, it's kind of full, so I'm just going to smush it down with my hands and my muscles. I'm going to put some aluminum foil around it anyway, so that'll make sure that the moisture seals in. So I added some foil around the seams of the clay pot just to make sure that the moisture stays in. Now it's ready to go in the oven. So I preheat the oven to 225 Fahrenheit, which is about 110 Celsius. We're going to bang it in the oven for no less than 4 hours, and then see what happens. So it's been about 4 hours and 15 minutes. I've not checked the chicken at all. We're going to see what happened. Remove the foil. Oh my God, look at that. Got the purple cabbage. Everything is, oh Jesus. Look at that. Alright, so let's cut a little piece. Actually open it up a little bit. You see that? All the vegetables are stewed, and there's just the natural juices from all the vegetables and the chicken just congealed at the bottom there. No shiitake mushroom. I would eat that, but it'll burn my lips. So I just got back from a cigar and whiskey club. All physical distancing protocols followed. Oh my God. Oh my God. The camera person must also taste this. So these are the natural juices from all the veg and the chicken that have extruded during the cooking process. Oh my God. So, okay. Sorry about that. I hope you enjoyed that video. There's more to come. This type of food could be the founding basis for any religion. It makes you feel vibrant inside. It nourishes the body and the soul. Anyway, to finish, I have a very special Glenfiddich 18 and a cigar that I just introduced to a friend that said was very good, the Banker from Upmann. Keep cooking until next time.